Tool-connected AI agents don't just chat. They can read data, call APIs, and take actions across real systems. And that's the shift. Security isn't only about bad answers anymore. It's about bad actions, powered by whatever identity your agent is running as. A non-human identity, or NHI, is any identity used by software instead of a person. Service accounts, API keys and tokens, workload identities, automation bots, and AI agents that call tools. NHI are often riskier than human accounts because they run 24/7. They're easy to copy-paste, they get reused, and they're often overprivileged for convenience. With a normal integration, you usually know what actions will happen. With an agent, the system can decide which tools to call and when. That creates failure patterns like delegation chains. Permission drift, just give it one more scope, and even prompt injection turning into tool misuse. Identity becomes the blast radius. Most rogue agent incidents trace back to the same identity mistakes: shared tokens across agents, teams, or environments, long-lived credentials that never expire, admin scopes for convenience, no separation between dev, staging, prod, weak approval gates, right actions happen silently, know who approved this, trail, no revocation plan to shut access off fast. Here's the practical baseline that scales without turning into a months-long IAM project. First, separate identities. User does not equal agent, does not equal tool. Don't collapse boundaries by pretending the agent is the user. Second, use short-lived task-scoped credentials. Minutes, not months, scoped to one repo, one folder, one project at a time. Third, read-only by default. Rights require tight scopes and explicit approvals. Fourth, approvals aren't just process, they're identity controls that stop silent high-impact actions. Fifth, your logs must answer 3 questions. Who requested it? What executed it? Who approved it? Quick rule, read-only agents can run on a lockdown service identity. If it can write, add approvals and task-scoped write tokens. If it's high impact, send, publish, delete, merge, payments, humans, stay the final safety boundary. Agent security isn't only prompt engineering, it's identity engineering. If this helped, like the video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. It really helps us grow and make more practical guides.